Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Linth Bank account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Linth Bank account online on your PC, just open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address banklinth.ch like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of the Linth Bank like this. And now just close this, guys. And now in order to log into your account, will be required to click on the e-banking button available at the top of the screen. But guys, if you have not yet signed up for a Linth Bank account, you can simply click on the register button available over here to go through a procedure to sign up for a Linth Bank account. And with that being said, guys, let's click on the e-banking section of this page at the top of the screen. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your username like this, and then enter your password. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always click on the forgot password button to go through a procedure to retrieve or reset your account's password. With that being said, guys, after entering your user ID and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Linth Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.